Hello guys, this is Ranjit Bhatt. Welcome to one more video on corporate C. So this program will tell us about the operators, which is the increment operator. We're going to see both post increment and pre increment. So this program, which starts with the main, has x as an integer which is initialized to 0. So as you know, I have an if statement and else statement. That if statement will work, as I have told it in the previous videos. If statement will work if whatever is given inside that particular if is anything other than non-zero. So if you try to guess the program output correctly, you will get to know that this if is not going to be printed but else is going to be printed in this case. Why? Because let me show you the output first. So the output is the value of x, which is equal to 1. Even though I get the value of 1 here, why this did not get printed? It is very simple explanation here. Since x equal to 0, here x plus plus will be treated as 0 plus plus, which is equal to 0 itself, and in this particular line x will be treated as 0 itself. But in any iterations after that line, after this line, x will be treated as the incremented value. Remember, that is the difference between pre-increment and post-increment. In post-increment, the value is assigned first and then incremented, but when it is a case of pre-increment, it is incremented first and assigned later on. I will show you both the cases so that it will be clear. So it is definite that here it has taken a 0, that is why hello is not going to be printed, and x will be taken as the incremented value because it is a post increment in the next iterations anywhere after this. Okay, so let us try to understand why hello is not getting printed. So even if it is the case where I have x equal to 0, 0 is going to be printed. Let us see one more case where I have pre-increment, then definitely this is going to be printed. As I mentioned, plus plus x will give me a incremented value here itself, unlike the previous case where it gets the incremented value in the later stages. So that is why the difference between pre-increment and post-increment. So what do we understand in this particular problem or program is the operator, which is the pre-increment as well as the post increment. If you want, we can still extend it to minus minus x, which is going to get a non-zero value because it is a negative value. So again, hello is going to be printed, but unlike negative, minus 1 is going to be printed because here x minus minus or x plus plus will both be taken as the non-incremented or non-decremented value because it is the post increment or decrement. So here it is taken as 0 itself, here it is taken as a decremented value. So I hope this is clear, and maybe we can move on to the next video. Thank you.